Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on real quick. This video is just going to show you what smart vinyl is in case there is anybody out there that does not know. So our typical rolls of vinyl that we buy come in 12 inches. So they are 12 inches across to fit our mat for the standard Cricut, which is 12 inches. I think the Venture machine might go, I don't know, 36 or I don't know, but it's a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger. Nothing that we're playing with here in my craft room. So anyway, so smart vinyl is actually 13 inches across opposed to 12. And that is because you do not need the mat when you are using smart vinyl. Okay, so we just put the mat away. I actually have two brands here. I have Hobby Lobby's brand, which is, I always forget the name of their brand, 405. You see it in there? 405. So I have some Hobby Lobby smart vinyl in a matte black, and then I also have a Tech Wrap smart vinyl in a matte black. I know that Cricut makes it. I don't happen to have any Cricut, and I'm not sure if there's any, if Amazon or HTV Ront or, maybe any of them make it. I'm not sure. These are the two that I have, but you can always go ahead and search smart vinyl, find one that's economic for you. Okay, so we're actually zoomed in a little bit more, and you're gonna see that the backing of the smart vinyl is a lot thicker. Almost as if you have a mat on here, like built in to the vinyl. And in which case it would just, see, fits right into from corner to corner. So you actually have an extra inch on this vinyl. It will go end to end. And it will also, you won't have to have 12 going this way. Now I don't have a lot left, but if you have a long sheet, you can do a longer cut. So we're just gonna go ahead and just gonna pull it in. So if you do use the smart vinyl, you really don't need to cut it, your length here, just let it go through. So now we will go into the software and create our design. I am just going to create my channel name. Okay, then we're just going to move it around, resize it to get it to the top, and then it's going to automatically bring up this window because it wants to know that we're not using a mat. Connect it to our machine. And then here you're going to search for smart vinyl. If you just start typing smart, and I think I pretty much always use permanent vinyl as my option, and that is it. Just going to hit cut. And just be sure when you go to use it again, I usually take my paper cutter and just cut a nice crisp straight edge across the top. Gives you a little bit more room width-wise. And then of course you could, the length is whatever. It would actually keep going on the length. So if I chose 2 feet length and I had 2 feet here, it would cut the full 2 feet without a mat. So it is a little bit pricier, although I do feel it has its advantages. So it's just your preference, what you choose to use. But if you've seen smart vinyl and you weren't exactly sure what it was, like I wasn't in the beginning, then now you know. And like I said, this is the Tech Wrap, and this is a really nice vinyl. The other one I have is from Hobby Lobby. I'm not too sure if I've even used it yet. I have used the Cricut smart vinyl. Okay, and then when done, we will just slide it out And you have your print here. And then all you need is your transfer tape to go ahead and put this design on whatever it is you're looking. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next crafty video.